I went out searching for these things and found them. There's an old saying, be careful what you wish for.
Hello everyone. I'm gonna go back to that spot it was a couple of weeks ago where I saw something and found those bent stick signs, those saplings snapped over. I'm gonna broaden my grid around the area and look for tracks. Might even bring the drone out, kind of scout out the area. So let's go check it out. Yeah, I'm not too sure about this. Possible right foot, about 12 inches. It's hard to say. It's an old track, but just something I found. Okay, I found the spot, almost there. I'm at the spot. Some researchers seem to think that some saplings snapped over like that usually represents directional. I've read from other researchers saying that usually the alpha male of the group will usually snap a big sapling like that to let them know they were in the area, and then follow in that direction where the snap is pointing to. Why we have multiple here, I'm not sure. Some say it's for directional for water, but the water's on the opposite side, so I don't see that for this. So I'm just going to go follow this down this way for a little ways, see if I can find anything. Also, while I'm doing that, I'm going to look for tracks. So that's about what I'm going to do. This looks interesting. Huh. Yeah, I may have found an old trackway. I'm gonna take some measurements, but so the spot stick structure is that way, and they're pointing this direction. This is the direction I am walking, and I believe I found a couple of old prints or imprints here. So I'm just going to take some measurements, kind of space it out. But as I'm trying to follow the trackway, like in the distance, I heard a whoop. So once I take some measurements, here, then we're going to head that direction and see what's down there. Alright, looks like a couple of 13 inchers with about a 60-inch stride. One is kind of okay. The other two that I can see is they're so old. But what I do when I track is if I find something that looks like a print, if I can find two in line, I'll take a measurement between heel to toe. And what I'll do is I'll take that measurement from toe to the next point where I think there's another print, and I usually find another impression. That's how I do it. I just go by the stride, and I can usually pick something up, just a tip. Okay, so I'm going to keep going where I thought I heard the whoop, which is going to be in that direction. So just go keep heading that way. I'm up in the area where I thought I heard a whoop. Not finding any tracks up here. Could have been farther away. Wasn't really in the distance. But I've never been up in this place before right here. I'm gonna have to come back. I believe they do come through this area because I know they do more that way where I usually go. I'm more this way. So they travel up and down this ridge. Yeah, so I might have to research in this area now too.